In today's video, I will share with you 20 items that I sold on eBay for $25 or more in 30 days or less. I personally thrifted these items at Goodwill and recently sold them within a month of listing. These are hot items to help you make money online. I will save the highest price sale for last, so stick around until the end of the video to see what sold fast for the most money. My name is Zandra, also known as Piece of Scrap. As a reseller, I purchase items at a low cost at garage sales and thrift stores and flip them for a higher profit on eBay and similar sites. Today's What Sold video is a flip fast for cash edition. These items sold within the last month in just a matter of days. Now let's get started. Here we're going to start with jeans. The first pair is a pair of Levi 501 button fly. I sent an offer to washer for $48.88 plus 13 shipping. They accepted. My profit after fees and cost of goods, $41.83. The next pair is also a pair of Levi's button fly. I paid $4.25 for these at Goodwill. I accepted a best offer of $38 plus $13 shipping, leaving my profit $32.36. The next pair is a pair of PacSun jeans. Again, I paid $4.25 for these at Goodwill. I accepted a best offer within a week for $25 plus $11 shipping, leaving my profit after fees and cost of goods sold $19.31. Next up, we have BKE men's Tyler jeans. Again, all jeans at my Goodwill are $4.25. I accepted a best offer of $26 within 2 days, plus $10 shipping, leaving my profit $19.31. Next up, we have a pair of Vigas women's jeans. I paid $4.25 for these as well. As you can see, the pockets are very decorated with a back flap pocket. If they do have a back flap pocket, use that as a keyword in your title, as buyers may be searching for that. I accepted a best offer of $28 plus $10 shipping, leaving my profit $21.05. Next up, we have a pair of Hollister men's jeans, also button fly. I found that button fly jeans, regardless of the brand, sell well. Again, my cost for jeans at Goodwill is $4.25. I accepted a best offer of $29 plus $11 shipping. My profit on these, $22.79. Silver jeans. I've had very good luck with silver jeans, both men and women's. This is a pair of women's slim boot cut silver jeans. I accepted a best offer of $29 plus $12 shipping. Again, you can see the back pockets are very embellished, and they also do have that back flap. My profit on these after fees and cost of goods sold, $23.66. This is a pair of silver Grayson men's jeans. These sold within 1 day on eBay for my full asking price of $49.99 plus 12 shipping, leaving my profit after fees and cost of goods sold $41.92. Here's a pair of silver Elise cropped jeans. Again, I pick up any and all silver that I can find. I do love the embellished back pockets with the back flap better, but these simple capri jeans also sell well for me. I accepted a best offer of $30 plus 10 shipping within 2 weeks, leaving my profit $25.28. Here's another pair of silver men's jeans. This one is Gordy style, Gordie. I accepted a best offer of $30 plus 11 shipping. These actually sold within 3 days, leaving my profit $22.06. This is another pair of silver Gordy jeans. I actually picked these up on 2 different Goodwill trips. This is a different size. It's a bigger size, weighs 38. I sent an offer to Watcher of $46.92. I know it was an offer to Watcher because it ends in 0.92. That's just something I do when I send out offers to Watchers. It sold within 3 days. The buyer paid $12 shipping. My profit, $36.33. Here's the last pair of silver jeans for women. This is the Sam style, which is distressed, a smaller size 28. The buyer paid my full price of $42.30 plus 10 shipping. They sold within 3 days. My profit, $33.49. And the last pair of jeans to be on the lookout for to sell on eBay for more than $25 quickly. Wrangler, it's the 20X style. I pick these up all the time. When they have 20X in the zipper area as well as on the back, these 20X tend to sell much better than just plain Wranglers. The buyer sent me an offer of $34 plus 12 shipping, which I accepted. My profit, $28.01. That was the last of the jeans. How y'all doing? I will make more of these what sold videos if you like them. And I know if you like them when you give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. While you're at it, click that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one. And now back to what sold fast on eBay. Here's a North Face Osito full zip jacket. This is the fleece fuzzy furry kind. I paid $3.50 for it at Goodwill. It sold within 2 weeks for $45 plus 10 shipping. I did receive several lowball offers, about $25 for this. I held out for the right buyer to come along. They offered $45, which I accepted. My profit, $33.01. Next up is my son's old running watch, a Garmin Forerunner 35. This was no cost to me. Well, it was a gift, so I guess I did pay for it initially. But for the purposes of this video, the cost is $0. It was my son's, so we sold it. I accepted a best offer of $42 plus 10 shipping. Again, I received lowball offers on this as well. I had it initially listed for $65. I received offers of $30, which wasn't even half. So again, I held out for the right buyer to come along. My profit on this, $41.67. Next up, we have a Torrid plus size shirt. I paid $3.50 for this at Goodwill. It sold for my full asking price on promotion of $31.99 plus 6 shipping. My profit, $24.87. The tag looks like, in case you're not familiar with the Torrid brand, they do make plus size, but they have that odd sizing where a 4 is actually a 4X, a 2 is a 2X, and so on and so forth. Next up, I have a Columbia PFG. I believe that stands for Performance Fishing Gear. These Columbia shirts with the novelty prints, I think this one had like bass on it for fishermen. Fly fishing, it looks like what they're doing. So I did include that in the title. I accepted a best offer of $30 plus 7 shipping within 4 days. My profit after fees and cost of goods sold, $24.01. Again, this was a plus size 3X, so that probably helped with the sell. And again, it's super bonehead, which I think makes it different than other Columbia shirts. So do your research when you come across these Columbia shirts. Some of the novelty prints, as well as this super bonehead, do sell for a higher value than regular Columbia shirts. If you find these outdoor shirts with a personalized embroidered logo, I would still pick them up. I've had good luck selling them even with embroidered logos. I made a YouTube short video on that and I will link it here. Next up is a Tommy Bahama silk shirt, size 2X. I paid $3.50 for it at Goodwill. I accepted a best offer of $25 plus 7 shipping. My net profit, $17.34. Next up are these a set of 2 Michael Kors phone cases. These were just $1 each at Goodwill. I didn't realize it in the store, but once I got home, I saw that the inner back cover of the black one was cracked. Surprisingly, it still sold for my full asking price on promotion of $24.30 plus 7 shipping. My profit on these, $21.66. Had I noticed this crack in the store, I probably would have left this one behind, but it didn't seem to matter. The buyer bought it anyway. I did disclose the crack in the description, and I've not yet received a return, so that's great. Next up is a Statler Brothers t-shirt. This one I found at a local thrift store for $1. It was in fairly good condition, hardly worn. It sold for my full asking price on promotion of $23.99 plus 6 shipping. My profit after fees and cost of goods sold, $20.71. And the last item to sell on eBay for $25 or more within 30 days, Brooks running shoes. This was a new pair of shoes that I picked up at Goodwill for $10. It sold for my full asking price of $89.99 on promotion plus 12 shipping. My profit after fees and the actual shipping charge, $69.37. I recently sold a pair of Asics running shoes for $690. I'll link that video here. Be sure to check that one out. Many of these items I shared in my Instagram story in a game I like to play called Buy or Pass. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, please do. I'm piece.of.scrap. Keep in mind that I purchased all 3 of these items and they sold within 30 days or less for $25 or more. First up, the Hollister men's button fly jeans. 39% said buy, while 61% said pass. The Michael Kors cell phone cases. 55% of my Instagram followers said buy, while 45% said pass. We agreed on that one. The Statler Brothers t-shirt for $1. 42% of you said buy, while 58% said pass. In full transparency, I like to go over the numbers. With that being said, sales plus shipping was $981.36. Fees calculated at 13%, $130.38. The actual shipping charge, $148.69. My purchase price for the 20 items, $82.25, leaving my net profit $620.04 before taxes. I just shared with you 20 items that I sold fast on eBay in less than 30 days for $25 or more, resulting in gross sales of over $980. I share this what sold information with you so you can also find these items to flip for a higher profit online. If you found this information helpful or learned something new today, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Many of you that are watching have not yet subscribed. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next video. I've linked the What Sold playlist on the screen below to help you determine what sells on eBay and similar sites. Continue watching and I'll catch you in the next video.